Hey traders, welcome back to another video. In this one we would pick up where we left off in the last one. We will download the MT4 platform, get it installed, and log in to the account that we created in the last video. So if you're not familiar with the video series Forex trading for beginners, there is you can check the card right here and you can take a look at the playlist. So let me just jump straight into the screen and get the software installed. Alright, so what we'll do is we head over to the email that we received in the last video. So you can see here, this is the MetaTrader login number here. It's for the MT4 platform, and we are using the server Forex time FXTM send demo, right? So you click on this right here where you see download the MetaTrader 4 platform. You click on that and it will head on over to the broker. Now you will need to log in. Remember, we did this, we created the account, so you can just log back in. So once we log in, we will head over on the platform itself to download that MT4 from the link. So let's just wait for it to load up. Right, so you can see here now we on the my platforms. So you're downloading the MetaTrader 4 terminal. Well, I use a PC, so I download for PC, but you could use what is applicable to you. So I would download the MT4, hit download. Alright, so we download it right here. It shouldn't take too long.
One eternity later.
Alright, so if we open up the download itself now, so there are really basically one setting that I would change. So you go across the settings. I would disable the MQL4 website for now, the MQL5 for now, and so in my case I have multiple MetaTrader software on my system because different brokers and then different platform for different strategies. So you will not need to do this, but if you have multiple MetaTrader software, or you want to put it on a different drive other than your C drive. So for example, I put all my software on my D drive, and here just to target, so it will have a different name, I'll go bracket 3 bracket, and then here I'll go bracket 3 bracket, so I know which this is. So I hit next and it would install. So for MetaTrader 4 is a really quick process to install. So once that is done, we'll look at how to log in and we will go from there. So we hit finish. And the platform just taking a while to, you know, get all the files in order and, you know, load. This will be the longest it would take to load since it's the first time, but once that is done, it wouldn't take as long because now it needs to go through and find all the servers. So there you go. Right, so we will not log in from here. We'll close this, close that, and to the top here we'll go file, log in trading account, because we need to select the server. So now we'll go back to the email. We will go back to the email and we'll copy this number, right? We copy this number, the MetaTrader login, and you paste that number in here, and then you log in with the password that you created in the last video. So, and this is where you select the type of server it is. So you see in the on the email it's sent demo, right? So we make sure we have it on send demo. If you try to log in on a different server, it will not load. So once you have send demo and you save the account information, so you will need to log in the next time, it will just load. You hit login and you will know when the login is complete. To the bottom here, the bar will start to go green. It will connect, you'll get that sound, and then you will see the balance shows up at the bottom. So that's it. So So there you have it. That is how easy it is to install the MT4 platform. In the next video, we'll take a deeper dive into the different windows and the different features that the platform itself can go through, and then we'll look more into customizing to
Incoming mail.
to get us set up for what you want to trade with. So that is it for now. See you all in the next video. Peace.